प्यारे बच्चों, आपको कल कोटे फ्रॉम गांधी जी, अम्बेडकर और नेहरू जी के बारे में पढ़ाया था। अब अप्रोच एंड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डिज़ाइन के बारे में बताने जा रहे हैं। पेज नंबर 175 पर देखें। कहते हैं अप्रोच और अंडरस्टैंडिंग में आइडेंटिफाई द कॉमन थॉट इन दीज कोटेशन। A common thought existing in these three quotations is eradication of inequality and discrimination from India. How are style of expressing that common thought in the quotation different from each other? First, in the first quotation, Mahatma Gandhi speaks that there should be no discrimination in India in the name of caste, and women should have equal right with the men. Gandhi visualized an India where people of all communities live in cooperation, where there is no room for untouchability or intoxicant. The second quotation is from Bhimrao Ambedkar. He said, "We were entering a life full of contradiction on 26 January 1950. In matter of politics, we should be equal, but life would be replete with inequalities." According to him, if we ignore social inequality for long, we might endanger our democracy itself. The third citation is a piece from Jawaharlal Nehru's famous speech where he emphasized ending the inequality. He said, "Serving India means serving lakhs and crores of people in pain and distress. It means ending poverty, ignorance, disease, and inequality of opportunities." Now, philosophy of the Constitution. The values of that inspired the freedom struggle and also provide it direction and guidance became the basis of the Indian democracy. All these values were incorporated in the preamble of the Constitution. The articles of the Indian Constitution were framed according to the same spirit. The Constitution begins with a preamble incorporating those basic values. It begins with an introduction which is called preamble. It is reproduced here under. Now, Constitution Preamble, पेज नंबर 176 पर देखें। We the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and assure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Next day, again, we say, you will teach and study sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity के बारे में पढ़ करके आइए और जो न समझ में आए फिर पूछिए। नेक्स्ट डे आई टीच।